Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Gold or EA for MT5, an expert advisor designed specifically for gold trading and available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Now, starting here on the product page, we can see that this is an MT5 expert advisor developed by Ibrahim Mohammed Ahmed Mayas, and the current purchase price is 399 US dollars, and the version shown here is 1.11, which was updated on January 3rd, 2026. All right, so looking through the description, the developer states that the EA is built specifically for trading XAUUSD, okay, or gold. All right, and that is, and it also uses three indicators as part of its decision making process. You can see the indicators stated here. Okay, one of these is the custom indicator developed specifically for gold trading alongside the RSI, standard RSI, and the MACD indicators. Now, an important point highlighted on the page is that the EA does not use martingale or grid strategies. Okay, we can see that mentioned here, which is something many traders like to verify when evaluating automated systems. Now, as I scroll through the strategy explanation, the developer provides clear entry conditions, for buy positions. The custom indicator must show a bullish signal. The RSI must be within the specified buy range, and the MACD must either be above zero or crossing above its signal line. And then for sell positions, the opposite conditions apply using the custom indicator, RSI range, and MACD confirmation. Okay, moving into the settings section, there are several areas that give traders flexibility. The news filter can be enabled to avoid opening trades around economic events. Okay, and then since it uses the built-in MT5 economic calendar, there is no need for external news services, which helps simplify setup. Okay, and then risk management is also highly configurable. Traders can choose between fixed volume, percentage based risk models, minimum volume, or other account based calculation methods. There is also a trailing stop feature and an equity drawdown limit, which can be used to restrict new trading activity if account drawdown reaches a specified level. For position management, the EA offers multiple stop loss calculation methods. These include swing based levels, average range calculations, maximum range calculations, or fixed point stop losses. The take profit target is then calculated using a configurable coefficient relative to the stop loss distance. Now, the developer recommends using this EA on XAUUSD with the 15 minutes time frame, and also note that running the EA on a VPS is mandatory for continuous operation. All right, so now let us just move over to the historical backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results, it is important to remember that backtests provide insight into how the strategy performed under past market conditions rather than predicting future outcomes. Based on what is provided here on this page, I can see the equity and balance curve is pretty interesting. It's a smooth one, steady growth over time. And then looking at the results proper, I can see that the EA seemed to have generated over 400%. All right. In this case, $100,000 deposit, $408,814 net profit, 544 trades taken with 373 being profitable. That gave us a 68.57% win rate. Okay, so that's actually good. And then looking at the drawdown, the balance drawdown maximum was 1.61%, but the relative drawdown was 4.11%. It's still okay. And then here we have the equity drawdown maximal at 2.25% and the relative 4.96%. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the gold or EA performed on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended. Okay, so I'm using the random delays and then every tick modeling. Of course, looking at the chart history, the trade activity appears consistent with the logic described by the developer. Okay, entries are based on the alignment of the custom indicator, RSI conditions and MACD confirmation. Reviewing historical chart activity can help us understand how these combined conditions influenced trade timing and market participation during the tested period. All right, but I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. All right, extending the testing period often provides a broader view of consistency and risk characteristics. When analyzing the historical testing performance, it's also worth remembering that results can vary depending on risk settings, position sizing methods, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization performed by the user. So overall, the gold or EA for MT5 presents a clearly defined gold trading approach that combines a custom indicator with RSI, and you can see down here the MACD as well, for confirmation, right? And while providing extensive risk management and trade management options. As always, you have to conduct your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Based on the history, the trade history you can see here, this EA seems to be the type to target short-term price movement. We can see that multiple trades were opened and closed within the same candle. This is the 15-minute chart, and I can see that many trades, they were opened and closed within that same 15-minute candle. So many of them, right? We can see this seems to be a high frequency trading EA. We can see that total trades taken were 6,109, and then initial deposit was $100,000. Total net profit was negative 54,881.71. So the drawdown was massive, and over 54% of the balance lost. But remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, and then here I can see that the win rate was 43.79%, because out of 6,109 trades, only 2,675 were profitable, and the average profit was 72.26, while the average loss was 72.27. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough. This is just roughly around 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.